I just booked my hotel and I received a confirmation email in which the hotel is telling me they have recommendations to further plan my itinerary. Anything from private driver hires, car rentals, nightlife, restaurants and activities, and much more. Let's take a look. GuestTo is an interface mostly accessible via mobile in which accommodations effortlessly recommend local services to their guests. Guests can access the interface in three ways: QR-coded custom posters which accommodations upload, we print and send to them for them to display in bedrooms and communal areas. Secondly, the same poster designs are uploaded onto television screens within the accommodation. And finally, third, as you just saw previously, guests can access the interface via links, for example, through email templates that the accommodation sends them. Most of the listings are filled by GuestTo, the ones you see here, and are filled based on the accommodation's location and its price level, while accommodations still have the ability to add or hide any of these listings, and they can also remove any of these categories. For example, if the accommodation already provides a spa, they could remove this listing and not share a competing service. Additionally, accommodations can also display their own in-house services within the interface. We are live right now with Holiday Inn's Kensington branch in London, UK. Go check it out today, and thank you for listening.